Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is March 12th, 2024. Here is another daily analysis. We had pretty nice sharp uptick today. So market just to get back to its bullish momentum. As I said, light volume reversal actually doesn't give us anything. And as long as we are above SMA 20, we should just give market benefit of doubt for the bullish momentum. I was concerning about a month of March for a period of corrective move, but still correction. There is no sign of correction. So I know my cycles are kind of like off for February and March, but we will give market for now benefit of doubt for a correction. As long as we are above SMA 20, we should just give the market benefit of doubt for a corrective move. Well, let me check out the volume because it's important today. I assume that it's going to be a light volume as well. So yes, 66 million SPY traded today, which is a pretty light volume. So light volume buoyant the market to the upside. Still, we are not in a new all-time high yet, but if we get another surge tomorrow, which is going to be a CPI number tomorrow, and everyone needs to keep an eye on that one. So it's going to be a choppy, especially early morning tomorrow, which is going to be a big roller coaster, I believe, for the market. CPI is coming, so everyone needs to keep an eye on that one. Moving on to Nasdaq, which was a booster for today, and Nasdaq consolidating here, a pretty nice bullish consolidation here. Good optic today, 224 points to the upside. A pretty good, a decent volume as well. Like as I said, we need to give market benefit of that as long as we are above SMA 20. So we should just give market benefit of that for bullish momentum. If it goes below SMA 20, we can get all the way down to here to 17,400. But below that, it needs more kind of like a big fundamental news to smash the market down. If it goes down, we will take it. But if it doesn't, we are just still keeping our all positions. I'm not going to short the market yet. So I will wait for correction for more buys. So this is my strategy for now. And I'm sure that when we have such a this momentum, correction is coming. It's just a matter of time. I don't know exactly when, but it's coming. Moving on to Dow, which kind of like a strongly, kind of like a breakout above this important trend line here. So I assume that Dow will have another surge to the upside tomorrow. So I don't know if money is going to come back again to value stocks. Seems like there is going to be a right now. Money is coming to value stocks. So we're just seeing Dow is doing very well, I should say, since this bottom here, which is going to be October bottom, the same as Nasdaq and the other ones. But Dow, remember, was the first one who just reached new all-time high. So this is very, very important to see if Dow is going to outperform the rest of the market as well. Moving on to gold, which just hammered. So we were kind of like a correct about this. And I just told you guys gold is due for a corrective move. This is kind of like a 90-degree to the upside, but we should see some kind of like a pullback middle of this candle. That's going to be a first stage, which is going to be a 2120 to 2100. So we're going to take it as a good, fantastic buying opportunity for the next rally. So seems like gold is coming, and also CPI is going to be a very, very important factor for gold price down the road. So bond yield was up today, so that's why gold is down. So bond yield was up, but look at that. So crude is coming down as well. Seems like I know usually crude and bond yield is just going at the same direction together, but this is not the case so far. So bond yield is down, crude is in choppy consolidation right now. We just got below SMA 20. I believe if it goes below 76, we should take it as a good kind of like a sell signal because that's very, very important for the rest of the market. Moving on to individual names, starting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin negative day today, just barely touched new all-time high, coming down after that, 71,000 right now. Bond yield goes higher to 4.61% prior CPI announcement. This is very, very important level. I'm not expecting actually bond yield is going to take out this. So probably we'll see spike and then coming back down. If it goes down, we should see some kind of like a release pressure from of the gold and treasuries. Treasury went down today as expected. Bond yield was strongly higher. Treasury actually just coming down, and there is going to be a scenario that Treasury can just fill the gap here to 93, or it can go lower to 90 to 91 for a next move to the higher high. So I'm pretty bullish on this name. VIX sharply coming down 8.94% to the downside. Dixie 89 cents, just 89 cents up today. It's not that strong bullish candle. Magma indicator, it was a strong candle to the upside, so it's just consolidating here since beginning of the February. Apple just goes higher, but look at the candles here. So there are lots of doji bars here, lots of shadows here. So still looking for kind of like another dip down for Apple to get on board on this. So wait and see how it goes. Amazon, good surge to the upside, 2% almost to the upside. Meta, 16.16 cents to the upside, not a bad price action. Microsoft, good surge. It's not still below 396. It's above it, so this is pretty strong candle here. I don't know if it's gonna break out or not. Google, this one as well. So this one holding up nicely. Still, we are in this white range bar breakdown and also supply zone. So we will see 140 is going to be act as a supply area. Netflix at $10.15 up, still bullish consolidation. Tesla, weak price action compared to the rest of the market. So Tesla is down 23 cents down, and still this one needs more confirmation for buy signal. But I believe this is going to be a buy signal. Moving on to SMH, which is a semiconductor index. They were boosted for today after 2 days, a sharp correction. Today just jumped back up. I believe this is going to be the last phase of the rally. I think they're very, very due for corrective move, and we'll see how it goes. Stocks, the same pattern here, goes up. Taiwan Semiconductor, look at the candles here. AMD, yeah, it was a strong, but still it didn't get it to this gap. The only reason SMH and stocks were positive because of this name. 7% to the upside. Nvidia 61 cents goes back above 900 area, which is pretty bullish. But Nvidia goes to this middle of a white range bar. So I don't know if this is going to be something like this, move higher, or this is just a dead cat bounce and just want to fool everyone. I don't know. Timing is very, very difficult for these names. Texas Instruments, 61 cents up, but look at the candle. So the rest of the semis, actually, they were not that strong. The only reason semiconductors were strong because of NVIDIA. Lam Research up as well. XLF, which is a financial spider, nice bullish candle here, still having its momentum. So that's why Dow can outperform the rest, because these ones they're not there is no sign of reversal, or there is no sign of kind of like a pullback or something. Even they don't slow down, so they're just that keep going higher, grinding higher nicely. KBE coming down 23 cents down, but this is kind of like a bullish consolidation. A KRE, the same pattern here, just a dip to this middle of white range bar. If we get another bounce, so we will see kind of like a breakout tomorrow. JP Morgan, $1.55 up. Goldman Sachs, $2 up today. Bank of America, 7 cents up. So all big names actually are doing well. Wells Fargo, 52 cents up. Not a bad price action at all. GDX, so this is pretty nice. So when I say this, I should say today just was a corrective move. The GDX goes down all the way to here to this area, nice tip-toe shadow here, and then move back higher. GDXJ, the same pattern here, even a stronger bullish candle. AEM, look at that. So just the 31 cents lose, and there's nothing to worry about. Newmont, this one is coming down, this one is lagging. Franco Nevada, this one is coming back up nicely as well, just 37 cents loss. Gold Barrick, this one is coming down to this middle of wide range bar and then coming back up sharply as well. So this is a nice candle, I should say. This is kind of like a corrective move, good reversal, and we need just see a follow through. The last sector for today is XLE, which is 14 cents down today. So this one is following crude right now. XOP 8 cents down, OI 31 cents down, Exxon 70 cents down, and also Chevron 11 cents down. However, after hours it goes just a bit higher, but I believe that these ones are kind of like eventually following up crude, which is in a danger if you just saw that earlier in this video. All right, that was a kind of like a quick review for today. Make sure keep an eye on CPI number because these ones are gonna make market spicy and spiky tomorrow. Have a wonderful evening. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.